3612 process a string with the special operation 1. We are given a string as consisting of lowercase English letters and special characters star, hash, and percentage. Build a new string result processing the s according to the given following rules from left to right. Which means like this. So if character is lowercase English, then if a letter is lowercase English letter, append it to the result. Only if my character is lowercase, then I have to append. And rules are like star removes the last character from the result if exists. If exists. What if I have two characters? I mean, what if I have two stars? Uh, Hash is like duplicates the current results and appends it to itself. Oh, percentage is like reverses the current result. Do we really need to go on Xcali draw for this thing? Let us write the rules first. The rules are like this. If it is star, then we have to remove last character. Then it's 1 and 2. And if it is hash, duplicate, I mean copy the result and append itself. Percentage is going to be reverse the whole result. That's it. First we have to process my string. So for that we are going to take and result, which is going to be my empty string right now, and you can iterate over the string for now. It should be like s dot length and it will go till n. Now our operations are going to be checked here. So if uh, first we can check for the, should it be in the order or like will it be in different kind of order, like let me do. If my s of I equals to, how do I check for a lowercase? Is lower, we have something called as lower, right? We have a function called as lower, right? Bro, fuck you. We don't even have a inbuilt function, we have to write it on my own, like let's see. So what I can do is like if my s of I is equal to my lowercase Oh, you have to check. If it is a character first, I could have used the rejects, but yeah. mm, how do I use the rejects? I forgot the syntax for the rejects. Should be like this, I guess. I don't remember the syntax, but it does not get. Should it be like this? I think this is the right syntax, but I need to check if my S of I is like uh, truer to my rejects right now. Maybe I don't even need to do this. Like I need to check. Um, yeah, it should be like this. A till Z and S for S of I. If this is true, then you are going to append it to the result. How is going to append the result? This is how you are going to append the result thing. Else if my S of I equals this thing here, then what we have to do is remove the last character from the string. So I need to maintain a different string for this also, like for the operation part, and result part is like the main result. But for operations, I need to maintain a different thing, I guess. This is interesting. After doing all operations, we can append back to the result. What do you say? Hey man, how you been? I'm doing good, man. How are you? I don't know if this rejects is right or not. But what the fuck? I don't remember the syntax. It should be right, I guess. This is how you write for the lowercase, right? If letter is lowercase, append it to the result. Should be direct appended. And now we are going to track for the let operation results will be here, like copy of my result right now. You're going to have a copy of result, and if this is true, then what I need to do is like I need to wait. I need to remove my last thing. Can I do operations result equals to operation results dot string of 0 till operation result at length minus 1. Can I do this? Will it remove the last string? And will it remove the last one? And else if uh, s of I equals to my hash. Not good, man. Just completed my BTech second year and the market is fucked. I'm really worried about the future. I don't think like future will be there, man, to worry. Just be chill, bro. You have a lot of time, but like you're doing just second year, right? You still have 2 years left. You got a lot of time to do. You can push, man. So this is supposed to remove the last substring. If the syntax is right, then I think it should remove the last substring. Maybe I can create a new substring thing and I can just put it back inside the operation result. Maybe I can do that instead of debugging later. this should work, bro. Like I don't know. Like, I don't want to waste my time on debugging later, so I'm just doing this way. So whenever this is true, then we are going to substring my current index. Should it be current index? No, this is last character. If exists, then only have to do. Oh, okay. If my operations dot results operation dot result dot length is greater than 0, then only you have to do this thing. Otherwise, you don't have to do this. Please don't share answers right now, bro. If anyone share the answer, I will ban you, bro. Uh, if hash is there, then I have to do is like result dot append to itself. So what I have to do is like I have to do operation. Again, I have to check if my operations dot length is greater than, since we need to check for everything, like literally like operations dot length is greater than 0, then what I have to do is like I can take the operation dot result plus equals to operation dot result, which is going to be my duplicate of that thing. Hey, where did I leave? Where did I leave? This is this condition. This is this condition, and it should be. Should I put it as a else, or like should I put it as an else if I mean? I should have wrote and switch case, though. It would be like good, pretty good enough to see. I mean, better formatted, I guess. If my s of I equals to my percentage, then I'm going to do is like I can operation results. Let me take reverse, which is going to be my current thing. Uh, no, first I have to check if my operations are result is greater than my then 0. Then only I'm going to do this thing again. Like, if this is true, then I'm going to take and let reverse, which is going to be my operation result operation result, not operation result. Like this should be empty. I can use the reverse, right? Do we have a reverse function in string? I don't know. I don't even need to do this much thing, but still we can do this. First, I'm going to store in my let, and after that, I'm going to put it inside my observation result, which is going to be my reverse right now. And return the final result after processing the string as, I guess, if I return uh, once the operations have been done. Once operations has been done, then I'm going to append, put my operation results. I don't know like if this syntax is right. Maybe I should put it outside my loop. Maybe I need to put this thing outside. That would do my work. Since my operation result is the result itself, nah, we are keeping a result. Like, why do you even need a result then? I'm going to test and I'm going to check if operation dot result is greater than my 0, then I'm going to substring my this thing. Let me use and result. There is no problem in that. Using a single variable won't hurt it. Let's see how much is right now. So we got an issue here. It says something. It shouldn't complain for this thing. It should be else. Yeah, it got success for the first one. Empty string. I see. So my operation didn't work. Maybe this part got failed, I guess. How do I write a regex for? I don't remember the syntax. Oh, this is fucking regex. I wrote it right, I guess, in JavaScript. Oh, I had to put like this, like that. Now it should work. Why? Uh, I don't know why my string is not getting pushed right now. Lowercase, there is no use for this thing. If this is true, then I'm going to append my result inside it and wait a minute. Hmm. Do I really need to put my result back inside my operation dot result after appending this thing again and again? I have to do a lot of stuff. Or will it work like this normally? I did some fucking shitty thing right now. Like I need to figure out like what the fuck is wrong. This reject should work, right? Oh, this reject is right or not? Hello is right. This reject is right, I guess. Should I test it on an online platform? If this is true, then it should work, bro. Like, if this is true, then only I'm going to push my result, which is going to be my if my character is if my letter is lowercase in English letter and up, then only I'm going to append it to result. And if star is there, then I'm going to remove the last character from my result. If I'm getting star again, if I do something wrong, I is going to start from this thing. If my s dot length is already like equals to sorry, equals to 0, this thing. We don't even have to do anything. It says operation result dot reverse is not a function. What the fuck are you saying? Are you for real? I have a fucking doubt. Like whenever I append something, then I have to update my operation result also. Maybe I need to do that. Now I'm going to have my operation result here. Like I don't know. I'm going to just declare it, and here I'm going to append my value, and after that I'm going to check if else if my s of I is this thing, then I'm going to check if operation dot length is greater than 0, then I'm going to take a substring of from 0 till length minus 1, which is going to be my last string will be eliminated, right? What the fuck? Am I doing it wrong way? Or should it be length minus 2? Length minus 2 is supposed to be getting the last value, right? If I do length minus 1, then it will be like it will go from here until here it will go. If I do length minus 2, then it should remove the last one, I guess. If I do again after again if I do then length minus 2, it should be this one now. If this is true, then this one. If this is true again, then this one. If my operation dot length is greater than 0, then only we are going to take the substring, and after that we are going to append back to that thing. Else if my s of I equals to this thing, and now I need to, after my every if conditions, I'm going to update my result. And this is going to assign. This is not going to what do you say the thing? This is not going to append. So assigning is different from appending. I think now it should work. It says undefined length 0. How? What do you mean by undefined length? When this thing, should I really assign it as an empty thing? What the fuck? I don't know why my characters are not getting printed right now. Where did I do the mistake? Again, I have to debug. So we have a global result, and if my s dot length is 0, then I'm going to return this empty string, and I'm going to run over my string dot length, s dot length, which is going to be this string. And are we missing something? And I'm having an operation dot result, which is going to be my current operations. Whatever is going to happen, I'm going to just append it back to the result. And wait a minute, do you have to assign back to the result again? Like, I don't know. If that is the case, then I can do this. I have no problem. If that is the case, then I don't even need to do this. If you're doing this thing, you do this thing also. If you're doing this thing, then you do this thing also. And I'm going to return my result, then it should have my value right now. It has a B, but it didn't reverse. It has a B, but why it didn't reverse? Don't we have a reverse function? Oh, what the fuck? I have a reverse function. Oh, we have a reverse function. Why it is not working? Bro, what the fuck, bro? We don't even have a reverse function, bro. Seriously, bro. Then from where I'm getting all this intuition, like from different languages? Oh, only array have the reverse. What the fuck? I'm going to take this reverse thing and instead of str, we are going to spread this back and join back again. Like now, we should be getting the a, b, and ba, whatever is there right now. Then first condition should be true now, I guess, if this is working. Hell nah, what is wrong? Operation dot result, then I don't even need to do this much thing. Like, I can literally do this thing here. Instead of storing everything, I can just take the result and put it here. Can I do this? It should be here, and this is going to be. I can't do double plus. I don't know. Let us keep it like this way. So now my result should be there. But reverse is not working. What the fuck? What the fuck? My reverse is not working, and how the fuck I'm getting a Z right now? If this is true, then I'm going to get a Z, and after star, it is supposed to remove the. Oh, motherfucker! Serious, bro? You're fucking serious? Oh, my stuff string is not working. Fuck you. But I'm not in college, bro. I'm way bigger than you guys. So my result is going to have directly, so I don't even need this thing. Operation result is going to have my result. So we are already appending back in the result. Then we are getting it inside the operation result, and then I'm going to check for the length, and again taking the substring of that thing. What do you want to do with my GitHub profile? Operation results. This fucking substring is not working somewhere. Is it sub str, or if it is not substring, then it should be sub str. Like sub str is supposed to be in Python. Fuck, bro, I'm getting confused with all the methods right now. Like after learning a lot of languages. You don't have to calculate any experience, man. S of I equals to my hash, then I'm going to do operation with it. Operation result plus equals to my. I'm going to append back to the result. And if this is true, then I'm going to reverse it and putting back inside my result, and I'm just returning the result. Uh, I think substring is not working. Substring and my reverse is not working. Why my reverse is not working? Let me print my reverse ID. And I'm going to get lot of print statements since I'm putting it inside, and what do you call that thing? Oh, you're not even getting the. Interesting. Since we don't have the symbol anywhere, like we had the symbol here, but why it is not? It should be fucking reversing. Yeah, I don't understand this thing. First, we are taking the A, which is going to be my first input inside my result. After that, I'm going to duplicate my result and append back itself. So imagine if we had A, and I'm going to append back my A again. And now we have a B, which is going to be again like here. And we're taking an, what do you call this thing? Percentage. Now it is going to reverse. Let me debug this test case. Dun, 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 dun. I don't need this thing, I need this thing. Oh, we already have it. Okay, let me write removes last character. Remove last character and duplicate current character, right? Current result. Current result. This is supposed to reverse current result. So first we have A. So we are checking for the rejects, which is going to check if it is this is lowercase. Then we are going to append back to the result, and ultimately we will be having A here. And after that we have an hash, which is supposed to duplicate my current result. So if I have A, then it is going to append my A back again here. And now we are having a normal B, which is going to be B here. And now we have a percentage, which is going to be my A B A, and now we have a star, which is supposed to remove this thing from here. So we have a BA. This is perfect, and I think I'm doing all the operations as per the question, I guess. And where is that thing? If I take this, what does my star does? My star does is what does my star does? This is my percentage. Percentage is reverse current, and what does R mean? What the fuck? I just now saw it. Yeah, remove. First we are having a normal character which is going to be Z, and after that we are having a star which is going to remove the last character, which is this thing. It is getting removed. After that we are checking for hash. Since I have a condition called as if my operation result length is not greater than 0, then we are not going to do anything. So this will get ultimately skipped. Wow, my handwriting is fucking crazy. So for here we are going to get an empty string, since empty, what do you call this thing? Empty return statement, since we don't have any character after doing all these operations, I guess. Once we do this thing, like it will literally remove the character from this thing. So after that we don't even need to check for other thing. I mean for the hash thing. We don't even need to check for these operations, and so we'll be getting an empty string. And here we're getting a BA, but why the fuck my code is not working, bro? Is pattern printing is important for beginner, for beginners. Pattern printing. Yeah, if you're new to the programming, then you should do pattern printing to know the workings of the loops and statements in programming in general. Since you're going to use it often in different kind of questions, and maybe in different tasks you're going to do, like whenever you want to run through a bunch of things, then you have to use loop. So if you know how the loop works, then it will be useful for you. So you should learn pattern printing, I guess. You don't have to dig deeper, but yeah, you should know how the pattern is, like how the loops work. You don't have to become a master of looping. If you don't know something, then you can just look in Google, bro. Simple. What is your PC configuration? My PC configuration. PC configuration is like i5 and 11 Gen 8 GB RAM and 512 SSD and iGPU. Why do you want to know my PC configuration? Let me debug my code right now. So I'm starting with this thing, and I'm going to check if this is true. Then should I put it? Should I make it as an if condition, separate if conditions, or it should be else if? Uh, uh, what if I make it an if condition? Let me try if I make it as an if condition. It will be acting as a different. I mean, it will be working on its own, so it will not be depending upon the previous if condition. Will it work now? This is not reversing the thing, and even my star didn't remove my current character. This is interesting. So this was not the problem. The problem is inside my substring, and the problem is inside my reverse thing. I don't know why my reverse is not working here, and even my result is not getting printed. Let me see. Let me see. Uh, if I get back to this thing, I will be having AAB, which is like this is going to duplicate my current result, which is going to be by AA, and B is going to be here, and percentage is going to reverse it. Reverse, and star is going to remove my last character, which is going to be this thing. But this should work, bro. What the fuck is not? Let me look the syntax for this actually. Oh, it's substring. Didn't I put it to the right? Oh, it should be a small. Fuck. It's still not working. Why? I guess from here it is getting different thing right now. Like first I'm having an operation result and I'm appending my result here, and after that I'm appending back to my operation result whatever is there. And else if this is true, then I'm doing operation dot result is greater than 0. Then I'm going to append my result there. But I haven't updated my operations. It's getting updated, I guess. Like, we are not storing back inside my operation, so this is the reason it is not getting there. Maybe I should revert back whatever was there previously, which was doing the task, I guess. Celestial and Celestial, I'm going to store it back and I'm going to get it inside my result. And after that, I'm going to check if user is true in operations, and then I'm storing it back inside this. Now this should be Celestial string. Now I think it should work. If this is right, then it should work. It doesn't work. Why the fuck it's not working? What kind of things do you need to use? String, just string, right? Stimulate as described here, that is what I did. But I don't see any results here. Should I put my operation result outside my this thing? Should I declare it outside? Why, bro? My substring is not working. Like, what the fuck? Instead of checking every time, I can do is like I can put an basic if condition here, not here. If my operation, the fuck? No, I don't even need to put this thing. Like, literally everything. I guess. Let's refactor a little bit. I guess. Oh, why do you people hate JavaScript a lot, bro? Just go with the flow, man. Don't hate anything. So now we have a 3 else if condition. Will this work or not? What the fuck? I have a doubt here. Come on, man. Crash my program. Right? Okay, we have refactored our code right now. It looks clean right now. Bit compared to previous one. I don't know why my solution is wrong. If my operation dot length is greater than 0, then only I'm going to. Should I even check for this thing? Like, whenever my operation result is greater than 0, then only we need to do some operations. You don't even need to do some operations on the empty string. Like, why the fuck I want to waste my operations on that? I think my substring is fucking me. Okay. Wait a minute. Duplicate is supposed to have a duplicate. I don't know if this is working or not. Duplicate is going to equals to my this thing. Two times of this thing after that. Once it is equals, then I need to again ascend back to the operations result, I guess. After that, I'm going to return back. How it should work. For the reverse, we are doing it right way, I guess. डुप्लीकेट में एक बार आना है या फिर दो बार आना है, ये मेरे को डर लग रहा है प्रिंट करने का पता चला. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my answer right now. So it should work. यही तो दिया है. Build a new string result processing as according to the following rules. If star is given last character from result, should I use a different approach right now? Better two. Now my substring is not working. Why my substring is not working? Is this regex even working right now? A, B. Yeah, it is working. What about the star? Are we even getting the substring of this thing? Oh, I need to remove it. So from here onwards, it is not working. From star, it is not working. And what about the hash? Oh, from so every operations are not working right now. The fuck is wrong? What about the reverse then? So my all operations are not working. Like only my string is working right now. This top one. So I guess that is right. But why my operations are not working? My code is right, but I don't know. Like, let me check. This thing will be only true if my result is operation result is greater than 0, which has to be true. Wait a minute, it should it be like character? Since we're checking for a character right now, it's not a string. Will that be a problem right now? Ah, this is not working. Why my operations are not working right now? So I don't care about the what do you call that thing? So I don't care about the I don't care about the operation size is greater or lesser, but I'm just going to do, bro. Anyhow, like, if it is there, then just do it. That's it. If I don't care about the operation size, then will it work right now? It does say like operation result is not defined. What the fuck are you saying? See, now only it's reading my code, bro. What the fuck was wrong then? Till then. There we go, it worked for one thing. Why did I even get an empty thing for that thing, bro? My duplicate is supposed to have only operation plus operation, right? Should I directly do operation plus operation maybe instead of doing this much thing? Like, I don't even need this thing right now. Since I'm already storing it in that operations and it should be having operations and duplicate won't be there. Yeah, remove it. Remove. Come on, work now. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why are you doing it? PA is supposed to be there, bro. Oh, even my reverse is not getting printed, bro. What the hell? Empty कहाँ से हो गया ये? This was not supposed to be empty. Should I make every statement as individual statements? एक बार ट्राई करते हैं. Yo, bro, you play Brawl Stars, bro. And now everything is individual statements right now. So this is not depending upon this thing. Like uh, everything is individual right now. Maybe I should have used a switch case, bro. The fuck? I don't know, man. I don't know. Like people have a lot of controversy going on with the languages. I don't know. Like I'm just doing it in the JavaScript right now. People hate me for that thing, but I don't care. Who care about the people? I don't even care about them. Like why would you even like? Uh, I used to play in 2019. Whoa. So you're a old player. Wow. I have a Star Shelly. You know Star Shelly? I can't show on the stream since YT might give me an copyright strike, I guess. Bro, why the hell is my standard output is getting empty right now? Sorry for real. I know some people who are doing DSA in Python, so you are good to go, man. Like you don't worry about the language you're picking right now. You have to just get good in that thing. So now I'm able to see a whole code right now. Let me see. So if my result is empty, then I'm going to just keeping a global result outside, and my s dot length is less than equals to 0. Then I'm returning my result. This is not even needed, I guess. Since we are already, I need an entry return, so it does not do every operations inside of this. And so this is true, then this is going to be happening. And if my s dot length, I don't know why the fuck my solution is not working. रिजल्ट में हम लोग एस ऑफ आई डाल रहे हैं जो कि अपना वैल्यू है एंड विच इज गेटिंग टेस्टेड बाय दिस थिंग एंड उसके बाद वी आर अपेंडिंग बैक टू देयर ऑपरेशन सो वी कैन डू ऑपरेशंस ऑन डिफरेंट थिंग so if this is true then we are going to remove the last character. I don't know like if this thing is making some issues in my code right now. Maybe this is removing everything, bro. Yo, after removing you just break. After doing this thing you break. I don't know if this is the issue here. If this will break then my whole code will break. Yeah, I didn't see that thing coming. My sub bestiary is supposed to be my from 0 till it of length minus 1, which is going to be my last character. Should it be 2 since it removes the last character? Length minus 1 is like a whole string itself. I don't know why it is getting empty, bro. What the hell? Bro, this solution should be working, but I don't know like where is my issue at. Maybe I did some issues with the operation handling and global state, I think, I guess. Like, due to the result or maybe result operations. If my result is, I don't know what is the issue. Should I keep a single? Maybe I should keep a single thing, bro. Maybe instead of doing a lot of operations, I can just keep a single thing. And instead of taking like that, you can just use SFI. So we don't have to write SFI every time. Which is going to be my car now. And if this is true, if my car is where is my length thing? Then will you do this? What the fuck? It should be slice. Oh fuck. Now this will work, bro. I should have done slice. Why the fuck I was doing substring? Now we have refactored a lot of code right. This should be char again. This is going to have my result again. I don't even need a second variable, bro. Because of second variable, I'm getting cut. This should be char again. And this should be result again. And this should be result again here. Now I think because of operations there won't be any issues now. I'm taking my result outside here, and after that we are going to take the variable and check everything. It does say bro, because of the operation result, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I don't even have the variable, but it is not even throwing an error, bro. I don't know like, what the hell is it. Because of operation string I declared earlier, but that was causing a lot of issues for me. Instead of doing that, I could have done with a single variable, then I could have completed it already. What I was thinking, like I can do some operations and later I will append this operation result to the result, but which become a complicated, I guess, at the end. Oh, you got a 59 percentage. Who got 1%? What the fuck? This guy is fucking crazy. Ah, shit. I don't even like. I can't even think of solution like this. Like, not this short. I mean, I know what I have to do, but yeah, I I like to write this way. Or maybe I can use a switch case, which will look good for readability. But the functionality is going to stay the same, I guess. This guy has done the same. Well, I can do a substring, but my substring was not working, bro. What the fuck? I tried to do substring. Oh, because of that thing again, like because of my operation result, it was causing an issues right there. Ah, bro, the fuck? That is what I was thinking. Like, why the fuck this is not working? Do we have any other different solution? Like, did anyone do with something like dynamic programming or some crazy level stuff? Oh, this is one line solution. Like someone did this, or like this is mine. This is not mine. Woke up and beat 100%, went back to sleep. Crazy. If I submit it again, I get 100%. This was pretty much easier question, but finding the rejects was a little bit difficult part. I would have done this. Wow, this is interesting. Oh yeah, it should be greater than my A and it should be lesser than my small there. And this should be giving my result. Crazy. I don't even need the rejects. And I need to remember the rejects pattern, which is pretty much useful in this scenario like this. I can do this, and if I change this A to capital A and if I change this small a to capital Z, then it will check for the capital cases. I don't know, like interviewers allow this thing to be used there. Not there. Problem of the day. Guys, do you want to join my Discord server? Like, there is some small fucking Discord server, but if you want to join, you can. You're welcome. Come and join the noob like me, who takes a lot of time to solve a fucking easy question. If you're struggling with DSA, then I'm the good partner for you. Oh, literally everyone left. I was talking with myself. Crazy, 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 crazy. So this question, and this question. Past 3 days, we were able to successfully solve questions but on our own. But weighted word mapping was a little bit difficult, so I had to follow a tutorial and know how to solution. But I need to reverse the solution again. It was a little bit difficult part. It had some binary exponentiation and some other stuff. Well, like a lot of stuff was there. So we can get back to the what were we doing? We were trying to learn recursion, right? We try to take some recursion problem and try to do it. Where is recursion? I need to learn basics of recursion first. What does it say? No question in the list. What the fuck? I need to find a three-digit even number. Wow, this is going to be fun now. I'm going to get roasted, and you guys going to have fun. Why does this takes a lot of time? Did my stream got disconnected again? I was trying to search something like what the fuck I forgot. Internet speed. Yo, posted it. Where the fuck did you post it? Where did you post it? There we go. Okay, we are getting a good speed, I guess. The question was to finding a three-digit even number. Mhm. Digit is an array. Who, who is this? Okay, let me think. I need to generate a substring where I need to check if number is divisible by 2. If it is true, then we have to return my result there. But how do I do with the recursion now? Do I need to pass my result along with this thing? Like, let me try to do. If this is true, then we are going to find digit. Function find even three digit. I'm so bad at giving names, so ignore me. Which is going to have my digits. Digit array, maybe result. Yo, Wrench Babu. Wrench Babu, what is this, bro? What is this? What is this? The bro looks like a character from a movie, bro. I don't even remember the name of the movie. But I feel like I have seen somewhere this same character somewhere. Bro is literally looking like a Chinese guy. Not Chinese, like maybe, what do you call that thing? Nepali or Korean something? I don't know. Yeah, what the fuck? You did AI with him? So yeah, happy we are going to pass my digit. If I call my function here, should I pass my starting index also? Or maybe I have to pass a starting index. I have to pass my starting index, I have to pass my digits, and I have to pass my ending index as well, which is going to be my digit dot length. So should be digits. So it is going to be my ending index, and it is going to start from 0. And it is going to have my digits. I don't know, like how do I pass my digits? Can I pass it like this? Digits and digit dot length is going to be the size of the digit thing, and result array is going to be my empty. Now we have to find the what do you call the thing? If my start is greater than my digits, then should I pass an end index? Can I do this? I don't know. Like I saw it somewhere. Can we pass a default parameter? Maybe digit end is going to be. If this is true, then we are going to return my result and digit end. This is what we learned yesterday. Right? How do we do this? If this is true, then we are going to return whatever result is there. This is going to be my result, so this will be getting returned there. Otherwise, we are going to find for everything. I have to check right now. Now we have to write a condition. How do I take the 3 digits? Do I have to take a substring inside it? So without recursion, we can do it. But this topic requires recursion and hash table. I even need a hash table. I even need a sorting. Uh-huh. Does sorting really help me? Let me check the output first. It does this to 3, 132. Is 130 my. Is 130 is an even number? Uh-huh. 210, 230, and 302, 310, 312, 20. So what we can say is like it is in as all possible integers follows the requirements are arbitrary. Notice that there are no odd integers leading 0. Oh, how do you do this? I don't know how to approach this thing. Maybe I can take an yeah, I can take a substring. Maybe I can take a substring of till starting till end. I mean, end index which is going to be the last index. That is what I want to know. Don't be. You don't need that thing. Last digit is for the last end. Should I name it as a length? A property length does exist. Why do you feel it is so funny for you? Why do you think it is funny? This one is like finding 3-digit even numbers. The question number is 2092. Yeah, good for you, man. Good. Should it have a unique numbers? Array may contain duplicate. Wow, interesting. So we don't even have to check for the duplicate values. So we don't need a set. So we need a hash map for that thing. Why do I need a hash map? I need to see why they are using hash number. If my digits were given already, then I need to check if how many digits exist in between this. Like um, how many pair can be formed, which is of 3 digits and even number of the given digit length. Return the sorted of I can do the sorting at the end, bro. Yeah, I speak like that. I literally speak like a paranormal investigator, like speaking to a ghost. You guys are ghosts. What the fuck are you saying? I'm not responding to you. I'm literally speaking. Can I increase my volume more than this? I think I need to increase my volume from my side. I can't do anything more than this. Hello. What the fuck is this? Can I increase my volume of a mic? Are you saying that thing? Do we have an option to increase my microphone volume? I have a microphone privacy settings on. Yeah, I speak like a detective, but detective in smaller case. We don't even have the options to increase my volume. Can I do it here? I don't think we have a clear option to increase my sound since I have to increase it from my inside. We don't have anything. Fix enable specific app. I don't see anything. Volume booster. How do I get the volume booster? Do we have a volume booster here? Oh, these guys don't even have a volume booster. He is finding CH bros peak. What the fuck? I'm not finding anything. This says like I can use an input. Maybe this will work. It does have an down mixed on mono. Mono should increase my volume. Is my volume audible right now? Oh, we have an thing. 48 is the highest one. Yeah, we don't have more than this. If I if I disable this thing, are you able to hear me? Am I audible? What is performance mode? Nah, I don't want this thing. Is it clear now, bro? I mean, like, his current case is interesting. Yeah, he does some weird stuffs. What is this? Oh, it's audio. What the fuck? That was good. Toggle selective recording. We have an get ultra, but we don't have an options to increase my volume. Audio is here, like we have only 48 hertz. It should be more than 90 hertz. But what the fuck? What happens if I make it as 7? I don't think I can change something right now on live stream since it requires a restart. Uh, yeah, I need to start streaming on Twitch also, man. I have been only streaming on YouTube right now. Like YouTube will be getting banned after few days. I don't even know, like YouTube will be banning me. Oh, lol. I need to think for that. I don't know how to approach this problem. I'm just thinking for the solution. You told me like my volume is not audible, so I was changing my settings. Yeah, my English is broken. I know. Why the fuck are you laughing at every time, bro? What the fuck is wrong with you? I have clearly mentioned like I'm an Indian guy. If you want, you can watch someone else like who is good at speaking and yeah, even smart. Like I'm not the one. I'm kind of introvert guy, and I don't even care about what the fuck people go to hell. And for example, given digits 1, 2, 3. Now I need to take permutations of this thing. I don't even know how to do permutations. I am selectively extrovert, bro. I sometimes open up and sometimes I just don't even speak sometimes. Um, if it's sort this array, then it would be like 1, 2, 3, 0. So sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have to ignore the leading 0. Bro, what the fuck are you saying, bro? With this fucking voice and communication skill at 0 level, you think I can pull girls? Nah, bro. Stop dreaming. Stop dreaming, Habibi. You think I can pull girls? I can't pull girls, bro. What is the answer for this, man? Like, I can't find this thing. Like, why is the so confusing question right now? Acceptance rate is like 78%. Integer consists of concatenation of three elements from digits in. Watch the PG explain video. Why does someone loves you? What is PG? Postgres. Postgres video to. I have to watch a Postgres video to. What the fuck, bro? Why did you ban it? Oh shit. and watch the PG explaining video. कोई तुमसे oh PG Guru, I know. सही तो बोला भाई भाई. Why would someone go? You have to be smart as bro to be loved by someone. It does says like concatenation of three elements from digits or any arbitrary order. Any arbitrary order, like what is any arbitrary? Arbitrary is like any order. I don't know, like he's guru, right? This guy, right? I remember this thing. But how would I approach this problem, man? Like I'm not aware of the permutations and what do you call the thing? Uh, मेरे को permutations नहीं आते हैं. Combinations and permutations. Not him, the YouTuber. I don't know. This guy made the meme popular, man. I don't know about the other people like PG. कोई तुमसे क्यों प्यार करे? No, this is the guy. Oh, his name is Anirudh Acharya Ji Maharaj. Ooh, such a big name. Yeah, how do I do this problem, man? I can't figure out the Habibi. Like, what is wrong with my brain? My brain is not brain. Be right back after lunch. Like lunch dinner. Uh, they brought the dinner. Be right back. Be right back. Oh, yung mana था ना ये yung ना उसमें क्या बोल रहा है डिजिट का साइज डिजिट का लेंथ घटा जा सकता है दैट इज फाइन पर डिजिट ऑफ आई क्या है डिजिट ऑफ आई मतलब एक एक डिजिट मतलब 9 डिजिट तक जा सकता है जॉब किसको करना है भाई जॉब करना है जॉब करना ही नहीं है डू समथिंग एल्स यस सर स्टार्ट डूइंग दो नंबर पैसा ही पैसा होगा पानी मेरा कहाँ पे पर रिकर्शन है तो रिकर्शन से करना होगा क्रिटिकल सोल्यूशन से मतलब होना रिकर्शन से किया प्रभु, क्या हो रहा है? थोड़ा सा थोड़ा सा चूतिया जैसा सोल्यूशन है, बट इट विल स्टिल वर्क आई गेस। यार मादर छोड़ने पर दूसरी के मेरा भाई पिल्लू, पिल्लू आ जाता है पिल्लू। पिल्लू बोल रहा हूँ, पिल्लू समझ जा, पिल्लू। पिल्लू कौन बोलता है? नंबर ऑफ रिजल्ट इज divisible by 2। बारिश में भीगे जाए। जान बुझ के बैठाया, कुछ चूतिया लगा के ज्ञान पेलने लगते हैं तो दिमाग खराब होता है। मजाक कर रहा हूँ भाई। वो क्या है ना, यूट्यूब मतलब फॉल्ट वैसे ही रखता है सेटिंग्स वगैरह, तो 0% लाइटेंसी के साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं। अगर ये ट्रू है तो P1 को प्लस प्लस कर दो, P2 को प्लस प्लस कर दो, P3 को प्लस प्लस कर दो। Is it not defined? बेटुआ, ओ बेटुआ, बेटुआ। I'm so sorry, so sorry, sorry, sorry. सिक्स एंड फोर कहाँ से आ गया? 6 and 4 तो आना नहीं चाहता। व्हाट द फक इज दिस? बाबू, ओ फिर क्या करने हैं? डॉक्टर बनेगा? डॉक्टर बन जा। डॉक्टर इज बेस्ट राइट नाउ। जब तक ये ऑपरेशन न करना सीख जाएगा तब तक तुम सेफ हो। तुम डॉक्टर बन जाओ। पता नहीं भाई, खाना में कुछ तो मिला हुआ था, नशा हो गया कुछ तो। दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग। बाबू मैं समझ गया, बाबू मैं समझ गया। फिर भी तुम इतना कैसे यार, इतना कैसे? टेबल 5.5 जैसे मॉडल अभी आ रहे हैं, जब तक मैं ग्रेजुएट होऊंगा तब तक तो खेल खत्म हो जाएगा। भाई तुम्हारा तो बैंड, तुम्हारा बैंड नहीं बजेगा यार, टेंशन ना लो, तुम्हारे पास बहुत टाइम है, कैन डू। मेरे को भी खेलना है, मेरे को भी खेलने का मन करता है, बट अगर करूँ। और इसी में जाऊँ, इसी क्या था, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हो जाएगा इसी, एम्बेडेड सिस्टम्स वगैरह करना है, एम्बेडेड सिस्टम्स वगैरह से है बस थोड़ा बहुत। ये छूट दिया साला, ये अपेंड क्यों नहीं है मेरी भाई, अपेंड हो गया भाई। एक बात मैं समझ में आ रहा, मैं तो इस स्ट्रिंग में अपेंड करूँ, मतलब मेरे को यहाँ से करना पड़ेगा क्या? सलाम रे, सलाम। P3 का अनडिफाइंड है यार। यहाँ पे तो कंडीशन तो चेक हो रहा है, इफ मेरा आई डिजिट और लेंथ से कम है तभी ये सब करना, फिर घर का क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, इस साजन को क्या तकलीफ हो रहा है। कोर और कोर या फिर इसी में जाऊंगा, अभी पढ़ा था ना ये, इतना जल्दी भूल गया। फिर से यही करूँगा, पहले ही तो ऊपर में क्यों है, पागल वागल हो। ओ ओ ओ ओ, if my P3 is less than, P3 में वैल्यू हुई ना, P3 is less than and equal to, और तो क्या, जब तक मेरा P3 कम है तभी तक होगा, वरना तो भाई साहब 213 अपन हो गया भाई। 213 थोड़ी अपन करनी थी, चेक तो कर रहा हूँ उसको। अरे मेरे भाई, रिसल्ट नहीं था भाई, सम था भाई, गलती हो गया भाई। बाबू 130 130 130 130, इंटरेस्टिंग। एक और दो, एक और दो है, टेक में टाइम टाइम पर क्रोर्स ऑफ पीपल काम कर रहे हैं, एआई जिस स्पीड से बढ़ रहा है 2030 तो मैक्सिमम जॉब ले जाएगा, इतना अनएम्प्लॉयड बंदा जाएंगे कहाँ? क्या हो गया ये, कॉपीराइट आएगा। सीधा यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ तक सफर, बस 50 सीढ़ी चढ़नी है, 50,000 सीढ़ी चढ़नी है, इधर से इधर, ऐसे 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 करके यहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे। एंड ब्रो, इधर ही जाएंगे सब, देखियो। सच्चाई है भाई, सच्चाई। ट्रूथ कैन नेवर बी हिडन, ऐसे कोई बकलो लोग ने बोला होगा। ये चूतिया साला, ये एक बार पुश करने के बाद में तो वापस उसी को क्यों पुश करवा रहा है। अच्छा मेरे भाई, मैं समझ गया भाई, मेरे को पहले पॉइंटर पॉइंटर पे हिलवाने का उधर से। क्या बोले अपनी को, अगर ये ट्रू है तो फिर पॉइंटर हिला दो, फिर प्लस कर दो। अब मेरा सारा गलत आएंगे, मेरे को पता है। मुझे तो लग रहा है ह्यूमन को रिप्लेस करना बंद हो जाए, बैन हो जाएगा है। मतलब ये ह्यूमन को ही उड़ा गया बोल रहा है। जस्ट लाइक दिस ब्रो, जस्ट लाइक दिस। इसके जैसा सिनारियो होगा भाई, सबको खत्म करेगा मशीन। तुम लोग गाली देते हो ना, एक्सेप्ट मी भाई, मैं तो गाली कम देता हूँ। तुम सारे लोग को जमीन से उखाड़ के फेंक देगा ये। क्योंकि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ेगी, फिर लोग के पास पैसा नहीं होंगे, फिर लोग टेक के प्रोडक्ट नहीं खरीदेंगे, फिर कंपनी से पैसा नहीं होगा। एग्जैक्टली exactly। कस्टमर नहीं है तो कंपनी नहीं है, कंपनी नहीं है तो कस्टमर नहीं है। साइकोलॉजी ऐसे ही चलता है, जब तक तेरे को काम मिल रहा है कहीं पर यू जस्ट डू ब्रो। जब तक कहीं पे भी काम मिल रहा है, कुछ नया सीखने को मिल रहा है, सीखो, मजे करो। कंपनी तुम्हारा नहीं है, तुम मजे करो, कंपनी जिससे है वो भाड़ में जाए, तुम चिंता ही मत करो इस चीज़ का। तुमको बस काम करने से मतलब है, जाओ काम करो, खाना खाओ, मजे करो। कंपनी तुम ज्वाइन करोगे, कंपनी ज्वाइन करने के बाद काम करोगे, काम करोगे, कंपनी उसका मर गया तो मर गया, जाने दो। तुम बस एम्प्लॉय हो, तुम बस एम्प्लॉय हो, एम्प्लॉयर बनने की कोशिश ना करो। ऐसा एम्प्लॉय एम्प्लॉयर का क्या फ़र्क है, कंफ्यूजन हो गया मेरे को। एम्प्लॉय जो काम करता है, एम्प्लॉयर जब काम काम करवाता है, यही होता है ना। हाँ, इंडिविजुअल जो कंपनी को मतलब मैनेज करता है, मतलब ओनर, जिसके पास हम बलि का बकरा बनते हैं। भाई मैं कुत्ते के जैसे काम करने के लिए इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, मतलब 3 महीना टाइम लगा दिया, डीएसए लड़ा लसन क्या क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, दिमाग खराब हो रहा है मेरा। मेरे को कुछ सूझ ही नहीं रहा, मेरे को लगता है मैं उसका कंपनी में जाके काम करूँगा, कुछ चूतिया है मेरे को उड़ा देगा एक दिन, वापस मेरे को यही काम करना पड़ेगा। दैट इज फकिंग क्रेजी ब्रो। ओपन ओपन नहीं बोल रहा हूँ भाई, ओपन नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। छुपाने का कुछ चीज़ है ही नहीं भाई। तुम अभी स्कूल में हो ना, तुमको क्लियरली बोल रहा हूँ, गाली दे रहा हूँ सुन लो। तुमको गाली नहीं दे रहा हूँ, कंपनी वालों को दे रहा हूँ। तुमको चिंता करने की जरूरत ही नहीं, मैं तुमको नहीं दूंगा, तुम मेरा व्यूअर हो। व्यूअर एक दोस्त जैसा होता है, दूर की दोस्त। तो क्या बड़ा बोल रहा है, रेंज ऑफ पॉसिबल आंसर्स कुड इंक्लूड। जो ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं, ये तो बहुत स्मार्ट बंदा है। पर मेरा 213 तक मेरा ये है, 213 तक मेरे को ढूंढने का, 213 तक तो नहीं है। ओ ब्रो, मैं भी इसको शॉर्ट करने के बाद में मिल जाएगा शायद, 1 2 3 है, 1 2 3 1 2। नोप 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 नोप। तुम बस अपने काम पे मतलब फोकस करो भाई, जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है वही करो। ये वो कर देगा, वो कर देगा भाई, चिंता कर जाएगा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। जब तक तू मतलब कॉलेज वगैरह ज्वाइन करेगा तब तक तो मतलब सब खत्म ही हो जाएगा भाई, यही तो ये सब। डेवलपमेंट की जाने कहाँ जा, समझ कैसा है सबसे। कोई एक्टिव है ही नहीं डिस्कॉर्ड में, फालतू का डिस्कॉर्ड है, ज्यादा डिस्कॉर्ड। इसने क्या बोला, रिंग पॉसिबल आंसर्स कुड बी बिटवीन 100 and 999, चेक ऑल पॉसिबल सीट नंबर फाउंड फ्रॉम डिजिट इन। मैं सारे नंबर का डिजिट ना निकाल सकता, सारे नंबर का डिजिट निकालूंगा, 999 टाइम्स करेंगे, 999 times करेंगे, and every time it will check 999 times and have to check digits, which is like triple digits है, triple digit मतलब उसके 3 गुना ज़्यादा मेरे को चेक करना पड़ेगा, which is fucking crazy। फिर इसका सोल्यूशन कैसे आ सकता है? रेंज ऑफ पॉसिबल आंसर्स could include even number from 100 to 900, check each possible answers bro, what the fuck I'm saying, serious। और 999 तक लूप लगा दूंगा, फिर उसमें से जो भी रिजल्ट आएंगे सारे डाल दूंगा अंदर। अंदर डालने के बाद में मैं उसको कंपेयर करूंगा उस डिजिट के साथ में जिसका डिजिट मेरे से मैच हो रहा है, जिसमें भी वो डिजिट एक भी डिजिट है, एक भी कैरेक्टर है उसकी मतलब वैलिड है करके। अब तो करें, शुरू करें दोस्तों, इसने बता दिया है मेरी जान। इतना चूतिया सॉल्यूशन किसी ने जिंदगी में कभी तक दिया नहीं होगा, जिसने मतलब दम बस्ट प्रोग्रामर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड मेरे को मिलना चाहिए, अगर किसी और का मेरे को बात करूँ। Baby, God, dancing to the back। बात तो सही बोला इसने, जो भी नंबर है सारे इसके बीच में। मैं एक काम कर सकता हूँ, तो ये कौन है खवेरी, कौन चूतिया है भाई ये, खवेरी बहादुरी बहन का लोड़ा कौन है भाई, तू मेरे को क्यों फोन कर रहा है फालतू का, दिमाग मत रख कर, आसाम से कर रहा फोन। कौन चूतिया है तू, फ्लैट लिखा तेरा क्या है। ओ पिल्लू मगर चो, पिल्लू का टिल्लू हो गया। नहीं, ये तो नाइंसाफी हो जाए। आबाद है आबाद। ताकि फिर नहीं सामने मैं जब भी मेरा कैरेक्टर लेटर रियल रिजल्ट। मैं सबसे अनऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन लिखने वाला मैं पहले से अब मैं 999 टाइम्स वापस चलाऊंगा डब्ल्यू में। दोस्तों आप देख चुके हैं कैसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व करते हैं। अब मेरा मेरा सॉल्यूशन फटेगा जैसे लोगों के फट जाती है सी। रिजल्ट is really sigma right now, bro. What does it actually do from zero till result of that now? It is going to take my contact from my secretary and it is going to check with my contact and use the digit 5 still. After this is through then I will check it with my so fancy fancy I don't know. क्या बोलना चाह रहा है वो? आई तो होता है, गलत थोड़ी है। कुछ भी फॉर्म कहाँ ना शेम bro, we haven't fucking include function bro, you don't अच्छा मैंने इसको स्ट्रिंग नहीं चार मीन्स चार 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 इसने बोल दिया डिफरेंट। ये तो गलत बात है। करंट डिग उल्टा सीधा ना सोचे दोस्तों, बस डिग मतलब डिजिट होता है। तुम लोग की माइंडसेट ही उल्टा सीधा है, हमें कुछ नहीं कर सकते। करंट जिसका डिग मैच करता है इसकी माँ की बहुत सारा। I am little different from other streamers. Like I speak vulgar words a lot, which is uh, which is my kind of streaming. तुम लोग को पसंद नहीं आ रहा तो भुसड़ी के निकलो, फालतू का मेरा स्ट्रीम ना देखो। इंक्लूड तो होता है बाबू, इंक्लूड से जावा बाबू। पलक का चल सा Right. Right. In string, bro, in string. पोजीशन भी मार्क करना पड़ता है बाबू। अच्छा, जीरो से मार्क करूँ? कौन है बे? गौतम? गौतम कौन है बे? क्या चाहिए भाई? तेरे को क्या चाहिए? मेरा स्ट्रीम में क्या कर रहा है तू? मेरा स्ट्रीम में आने की जरूरत तेरे को क्या पड़ गया? सोने का टाइम है, सो जा। नींद मार, अच्छे नींद मार। हाउ डिड यू लर्न? ऐसे मैंने लर्न नहीं किया, इसलिए तो मैं मर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। तुम मेरे मजाक बना रहे हो। तुमने मेरे को बिना बोले रोस्ट कर दिया। What the fuck? अभी ये हु क्या कर रहा है भाई? तुम पागल हो गया क्या? रैंडम रैंडम मेरे से सॉल्व नहीं होता भाई। रैंडम तो मेरे से नहीं हो पाता। मेरे से टारगेटेड क्वेश्चन नहीं हो पाता, तुम रैंडम में बात कर रहे हो यार, क्या मजाक कर रहे हो? तुम्हारा नाम इतना यूनिक कैसे है? गौतम पॉल, मतलब क्रिश्चियन नाम भी तुमने जोड़ दिया साथ में। अरे बाप रे। 2-3 हफ्ता पहले रिकमेंड किया, तुम अभी आए हो? क्यों आए हो? यहाँ पे तुमको कुछ सीखने जैसा कुछ मिलेगा नहीं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। क्योंकि मैं कॉपी पेस्ट करता हूँ, चैट जीपीटी से उठा के पेस्ट मार देता हूँ, या फिर ऐसे गूगल मारते रहता हूँ कुछ भी। ये चैनल रिकमेंड नहीं होना चाहता। ये चैनल रिकमेंड क्यों हो रहा है किसी को? सब मेरे को रोस्ट करते हैं फालतू का। पहला नंबर पे रोस्ट करने वाला बंदा ये है। ये बंदा मेरे को पहला रोस्ट करता है, रोज रोस्ट करता है। तुम भी कर दो, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। ये मादर सो चल के नहीं रहा, मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रहा है। मेरा पास रिजल्ट था। भाई तुम लोग बड़े हो ना, मतलब 20+ तो हो गए ना, कि मैं गाली का बहुत प्रयोग करता हूँ। अगर नहीं हो तो प्लीज़ निकल जाओ यार स्ट्रीम से, प्लीज़ यार निकल जाओ। मुझे गाली का प्रयोग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मैं थोड़ा बकचोदी टाइप वाला स्ट्रीमर हूँ, मैं अलग स्ट्रीमर हूँ। सबके जैसा नॉलेज शेयर नहीं करता, मैं बकचोदी करता हूँ, इसलिए तो मैं अलग हूँ। आधा घंटा डीएसए करूँगा, 2 घंटा बकचोदी करूँगा। माई माई टाइप ऑफ माई टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रीम। इंग्लिश थोड़ा बोलूँगा, फटा फुटा इंग्लिश बोलूँगा। यू शुड एडजस्ट ब्रो। अरे यार, तुम तो मेरा भाई हो भाई, तुम तो मेरा भाई हो। तुम तुम्हारा जगह यहाँ पे है भाई, तुम इधर आओ। तुम इधर आओ। तुम स्ट्राइवर को फॉलो करते हो? भाई साहब, तुम तो प्रो हो भाई। तुम मेरा जैसा नहीं हो। तुमने तो धोखा दे दिया, 2 सेकंड में धोखा दे दिया तुमने। उसने तो 3 साल तक दिया रहा था मेरा साथ, तुम तो 2 सेकंड में धोखा दे दिया भाई। तुम तो अभी आए, 2 सेकंड में धोखा दिया। अरे गौतम भाई, डिसेंटली बात करता हूँ। गौतम भाई तुमको डिस्कॉर्ड में अन्य है क्या? डिस्कॉर्ड का लिंक नीचे में लपेटा हुआ है, क्लिक करके घुस जाओ अंदर, जैसे चोर घर में घुसता है। यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे तो तुम यहाँ पे आ जाओगे, फिर मैं तुमको अंदर खींच दूंगा डिस्कॉर्ड के अंदर। तो चूतिया काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? डिजिट ऑफ आई में ले रहा हूँ, डिजिट ऑफ आई इज गोइंग टू बी अनडिफाइंड फॉर 1000। अगर मैं मेरा लूप डिजिट तक ही चलाऊंगा तो फिर रिजल्ट में चेक करूंगा तो फिर भी ये चेक नहीं होगा कि उसके डिजिट जैसे ही खत्म हो जाएंगे लूप अटैक। ओ ठीक है कर लो भाई, कर लो गौतम भाई। साथ में डीएसए में मरेंगे दोनों, दोनों भाई मरेंगे साथ में। तुम भी मरना, मैं भी मरूंगा। दोनों तो नूब ही हैं शायद। तुम नूब नहीं लग रहे हो मेरे को। मेरे को ट्विच में भी स्ट्रीम चालू करना चाहिए। जितना डीएसए नहीं होता उतना बकचोदी कर देता हूँ मैं। यार ट्विच में फॉलो करोगे क्या मेरे को? ट्विच में फॉलो करोगे? 12 लोग फॉलो करते हैं मेरे को, तुम लोग भी कर लो यार। तुम लोग भी कर लो, कुछ तो करूँगा नहीं वैसे, अभी अभी तो नहीं करूँगा बट जैसे कोई जॉब वगैरह कुछ लग जाएगा तो उसके बाद मैं गेम डेवलपमेंट वगैरह स्टार्ट करूँगा उधर स्विच में मस्त। एकदम फ्रेशर ब्रो, एकदम फुल फ्रेशर है मेरे को, गेम डेवलपमेंट का जी भी नहीं आता। मैं तो एक नंबर का सी हूँ, चूतिया। यहाँ पर देखो, मैंने 15 डेज तक किया था ये रिलीफ एंड सी प्लस प्लस वगैरह बट मेरे को उतना कुछ नहीं आता। मेरे को वापस रिवाइज करना है। विच ईयर नहीं पूछो, कितने साल के हो पूछो। विच ईयर? तुम गलत गलत क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो। मेरा कॉलेज कब का खत्म हो चुका है भाई। क्यों नहीं मिलता है? यहाँ देख, ये सब जॉब के बाद में किया था ये सब। ये सब जॉब के बाद में ही नौ, मतलब मैं सुबह 9 बजे जाता था, रात को 9:30 को आता था। लाइक 9:30 या 10 बजे 11 बजे कुछ आता था, उसके बाद में स्ट्रीम करता था मैं ये। इधर ये सब मतलब ये सब उसी टाइम का स्ट्रीम क्या हुआ है, सब जॉब के टाइम का ही है। क्यों नहीं हो सकता है भाई? मैंने तो कर रखा है। मेरा कंसिस्टेंसी रहता है बट मैं थोड़ा आलसी हूँ थोड़ा बहुत कभी कभी। बट ये लीड कोड वाला सब मतलब जॉब जाने के बाद वाला, लाइक आफ्टर माई जॉब आई लॉस्ट माई जॉब, then I started grinding LeetCode since motherfucker companies ask for LeetCode in the interview. डेवलपमेंट पूछेगा मैं कर लूँगा कुछ 70% टू 80% तक मैं काम कर लूँगा अपना खुद का। बट मेरे को LeetCode पूछेगा मैं दिमाग घूम जाता है सिंस आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ LeetCode मच। तो अब तो थोड़ा बहुत कर लेता हूँ इधर उधर कर करके, मतलब हो जाता है बट ये। यार तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं किया भाई, तुम लोग बहुत बुरे हो भाई। तुम लोग बस देख रहे हो यार, तुम लोग बस मेरे को देख रहे हो बट सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो यार। दफक बड़े लोग। काय का बड़े लोग? हाँ बड़े लोग रहता मैं इधर होता है क्या यूट्यूब में? यहाँ पे देख मेरा एंड गोल देख, मेरा एंड गोल देख रहा है यहाँ पे। मेरा एंड गोल रीच करना कुछ भी करके, which is pretty much harder for me since I'm fucking dumb, but I'll try my best। मेरा एंड गोल मतलब पैसा देख रहा, पैसा देख रहा, पैसा कितना लगा है? दिख रहा है तेरे को एंड गोल? मेरे को वो अचीव करनी है, एक दिन तो हो ही जाएगा। अबे इधर भी फॉलो कर ले भाई, इधर भी फॉलो कर ले अगर करना है तो फिर, क्योंकि मैं कुछ दिन के बाद यहाँ पे करूँगा। यूट्यूब मेरा चैनल उड़ा देगा भाई, फिर मैं क्या ही करूँगा फिर। चल बहुत हो गया बकचोदी, अब मैं इसको पूछता हूँ कि अच्छा ये तो नहीं चलेगा, अगर मैं इसको डिजिट कर दूंगा तो यहाँ पे डिजिट जैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा ये बंद हो जाएगा। मैं बहुत जगह पे फंसा हुआ हूँ अभी। मेरे को 100 तक ही चाहिए, सिंस 100 तक ये जाएगा बट ये वैल्यू ना, ये पैरिंग वाला चीज़ है, मतलब इट कैन गो नो बियॉन्ड बाई 100। फिर 302 जा रहा है यहाँ पे भाई साहब। 800 एंड कुछ चला गया। अगर मैं डिजिट करूंगा तो फिर अभी देखना मेरे को रिजल्ट में क्या ही आएगा। 1 2 3 कुछ आएगा शायद, पता नहीं कुछ तो आएगा। तो ही आएगा। एक्सपेक्टेड 106 क्यों नहीं आ सकता? 106 भी तो है। अच्छा 6 नंबर है नहीं यहाँ पे। तो 6 नंबर है ही नहीं तो फिर ये कहाँ से आ गया बड़ा? ठीक है भाई, टेक केयर भाई, टेक केयर। टेक केयर गौतम भाई। आते रहना भाई, आते रहना। लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आते रहना, जान बचा मतलब बना रहता है। कुछ भी बक रहा हूँ भाई मैं, संशय में होता और खुद ही पता नहीं क्या बक रहा हूँ। अरे परमिटेशन ये सब कैसे करते हैं? ये सब मैं कभी किया ही नहीं ये सब। ये सबवे टाइप का क्वेश्चन है क्या? मैं वैल्यू कहाँ से सेट करूँ? मैं सबसे हाईएस्ट वैल्यू, देन मैं सबसे लोएस्ट वैल्यू, देन सबसे 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 लोएस्ट वैल्यू। सो अगर मैं वो चीज़ करूँ तो सबसे हाईएस्ट वैल्यू मैं 8, सबसे लोएस्ट वैल्यू मैं, सबसे सेकेंड लोएस्ट वैल्यू, सेकेंड हाईएस्ट वैल्यू मैं 8, थर्ड लोएस्ट वैल्यू मैं 2, जैसे यहाँ पे करूँगा। यहाँ पे इवन नंबर है ही नहीं। हाँ। अभी उसका मैसेज आया है तो देखने दो थोड़ा सा। Even being fucking unemployed, you can get girlfriends. It's like क्या बकरी है? Yo, why you people are watching me, bro? Why you people are watching me, bro? Don't watch me. What the fuck happened to my live chat? Where is my live chat? मेरा लाइव चैट गायब हो, the fuck? What? Why did you disable my chat? You please bring my chat back. What happened to my chat? वापस आ गया, वापस आ गया. हाँ, इसका आइडिया क्यों नहीं आ रहा मेरे को? अगर मैं सबसे लोवेस्ट नंबर निकालूंगा, which is going to be my 2 is going to be my lowest number possible from this thing. So let us reset the approach right now. We are going to do it in a different way, different way. How
different, different,
different, different, different. मान लो भैया जी कि हम इसको सॉर्ट कर देंगे, सॉर्ट करेंगे. सॉर्ट करेंगे भैया जी, सॉर्ट करेंगे भैया जी. A minus B should be B minus A. The fuck is happening? Holy moly. No, ये तो सॉर्टिंग नहीं है. क्या मैं सॉर्टिंग का सिंटैक्स? अब हुआ ना, सॉर्ट हो गया. मिनिमम मेरा 0 रहेगा. सेकेंड. Yeah, I don't care about it. This is first. So the top three numbers can be at the end. This is going to be my this thing, and my minimum is going to be this thing. Ignore my logic since my logic goes beyond video. Beyond your definitions. Since I'm fucking crazy, I do it in a different approach. You guys might not even think in that approach. I live in a different dilemma. My main STR is going to contain my minimum first three values, which is going to be my interior will be blown. My get blown with. बादलों की अब we have this thing. Shit. There could be many possible answers, but I'm trying to do it in a different way right now. If maybe I spell that. चल चल तू अपनी राह देख चल फिरते हैं चारों साथ। ये क्या ट्रांसलेशन है? What the fuck? It's working though. वाइटी नशे में है and I like it. मेरे को भी ये डाउट है कि length minus 1, length minus 2, length minus 3, which is going to give me the highest value possible since we have already sorted my whole array, fucking damn array. So my starting three values is supposed to be the smallest value, but the largest value is supposed to be at the end, which is going to be the third three values. So if that is true, if that theory is true, then this should work. Finger cross, let's get the TLE. Impress the TLE. What the fuck you want, bro? Come on, what the hell? Come on. What kind of brute force solution is this? This is little bit messy, just like me. Not Ronaldo. Ronaldo, Ronaldo or Messi. I am writing Messi code. Oh, I mean, STR is not defined. Oh, yeah. So, minister is not defined. Uh, minister, minister. I am so dumb. Oh my god. It's holy fucking crazy shit. Just push every value inside, but I started with my main STR, bro. Main STR is supposed to have my values. Little main STR, but small value. My main STR is fucking crazy. Just like my ex-girlfriend. Babu, main STR is not supposed to be this, Babu. Chicky, chicky, boom, chicky, chicky, chicky. अगर मेरा डिजिट ये है तो ये कर दो पर सारू यहाँ पे we have a ternary condition which is checking if my digit is 0, then it is checking if digit of is 0, then I'm going to make it as 1, which is going to jump to the next index. It's going to be constrained. After that we are going to check digit of 0, otherwise digit of 1 is already there, digit of 2. It says on along. One is coming to what the people want. What the fuck? Every answer is there literally inside. But how do we include zero? Mamma mia. So I need to track zero. I need to track zero differently. मतलब मेरे को ये ढूंढना है कि जीरो मेरा में है तो रिजल्ट पे जहाँ भी जीरो आए उसको सारे बट आई थिंक ये वाला थोड़ा चूतिया था स्टोरी एक्सपेक्टेड uh, um, hmm. मेरा डिजिट काम नहीं कर रहा। डिजिट में फर्स्ट वैल्यू जीरो हो जाता है इसकी वजह से। मेरा डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू तो नहीं आ रहा ना यहाँ पर। डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू सारे यूनिक वैल्यू है सिंस दिस इज एन बड़े कॉल देते के बीच में सारे वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं। यार मेरे को लगा सब बारे निकालने से बेटर आंसर आई कुड गेट बेटर आंसर इफ आई टेक सब बारे। तो मेरे को ये अप्रोच भी ट्राई करूँगा बट नॉट ट्राई। सब बारे कर लेते हैं फिर अच्छी रहेगा। सॉर्टिंग तो होगा सब बारे में। सब बारे वाले में से हो जाएगा pretty much easy है। बट सब बारे में रिजल्ट अपने को बेटर रिजल्ट लेगा। पहला आइटरेट कर लेते हैं। सब बारे कैसे निकलता दो फॉर लूप लगता है जिसमें जे मेरा जाएगा वापस इस क्या बोलते हैं इसको डिजिट पे। जब भी अब क्या करना है if I equals to j then step मारो। थर्ड लूप में हम लोग सफर निकालते हैं ना सफर के जब तक ये क्या होता है उसको कहाँ सफर से आंसर निकल जाएगा। शुड कम। अब इसका स्किप कंडीशन कुछ हो गया जब तक मेरा आई एन जे जब इक्वल है तब स्किप मारें। अगर ये डिविजिबल बाई इक्वल कुछ होगा ये तो वैलिड है। अब इसको रिजल्ट के अंदर डालना है। डिजिट्स ऑफ के डुप्लीकेट क्यों आ गया भाई, बता। फिर वो डिजिट फॉर्म करना है, डिजिट कैसे फॉर्म करें? तो सिंगल सिंगल वैल्यू आ रहा है, ENG को कंबाइन करना है। नम्स ऑफ के तो रहेगा ही। डिजिट कैसे फॉर्म करना है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2904। मेरे को बस डिजिट फॉर्म करके इसके अंदर कुछ करना है। मेरे को इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू आ रहे हैं वैसे कि सब ज्वाइन हो जाएंगे तो सारे आ जाएंगे। डुप्लीकेट क्यों आ रहा है? डुप्लीकेट एसेट यूज करना है क्या मेरे को? ये तो है ही, सेट कर लेता हूँ। ऐसे नहीं आ रहा यार। हाँ, ये नम्स और ARR भाई कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है बहुत। क्या बोल रहा है ये? बोल रहा सेट इज नॉट एन वैलिड टाइप। सेट को कैसे कन्वर्ट कर फ्रॉम पर उससे? तो ये सेट हो जाएगा, सॉरी मुझे अरे हो जाएगा। फिर भी वही आ रहा है। पर मेरा माउस पॉइंटर क्लिक भी नहीं होता, डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है। थोड़ा हिंट दो यार। ओ ये मिसिंग था पहले से। कांट रीयूज एलिमेंट्स। अच्छा, पिछला इंडेक्स को डिस्क्रीट मारने हैं एंड फिर 3 डिजिट फॉर्म था, इसको ऐसे कर। मेरा ये स्टेप ये सही है। एंड एक्स की कंडीशन जाने ऐसा ओ, ओ, एक सेकेंड सही तो है भाई। सजन को क्या तकलीफ है? कुछ इशू है क्या हमारे सोल्यूशन में? ये क्या कंडीशन है? तो जब डिजिट जीरो है तो कंटिन्यू मारो, ये तो सारा जीरो स्किप मार है ये। ब्रो व्हाट द हेल इज दिस? ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है। के ओके इक्वल इक्वल्स टू आई है। अच्छा उस इंडेक्स का इक्वल हो जाएगा तो मतलब सिर्फ मार्क्स। एंड ये क्यों कर रहा है? अच्छा एक बात बता, ये सोल्यूशन आएगा कि नहीं आएगा इसका क्या? फिक्स दिस। डिजिट फॉर्मेशन वाला थोड़ा लोचा था यार, समझ में आया कि भाई देखना है भाई सब कैसे करते हैं। बाकी आई थिंक मैं खुद से लॉजिक कर पा रहा था, तो बस डिजिट में इतना देर रखा हुआ था बस। इसने मेरा ही अप्रोच से किया है, देखते हैं काम कर रहा है। सच मेरा पुराना अप्रोच है ये। इसको उड़ाता है। I'm going to paste it here. Check. पुराने का मेरा ही अप्रोच था। सो पहले हम लोग ने सॉल्व कर दिया। इसने काउंट निकाला, काउंट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स ईच रीजन अपीयर्स इन इनपुट। वाओ ये इंटरेस्टिंग है, क्या है ये? फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाल दिया भाई। लूप थ्रू एवरी पॉसिबल 3 डिजिट नंबर। अच्छा यही हुआ था वहाँ पे लास्ट में उसने ये किया, ये वाला प्रोसेस। ब्रो ये क्या टेक्निक है भाई? वाह इंटरेस्टिंग, fucking crazy. My brain didn't brain like that. You're literally fucking crazy. तुमने क्या चेक किया? तुमने पहले 100 कितना है, टेंस कितने हैं और जीरोस कितने हैं इनके बीच में, 100 को 99 का चेक कर रहे। उसके बाद तुमने क्या किया, कितने हमारे में अवेलेबल है ये चेक किया। फिर अगर उतना है या फिर उससे ज़्यादा है ठीक है, Every time it's fucking crazy. You blow my brain, bro. Maybe एक easy approach होगा. मैं पहले बार देख रहा हूँ ऐसा. भाई ने तो आग लगा दिया भाई साहब. मेरे को सोल्यूशन समझना पड़ेगा अब इसका क्या है. पहले इसने हंड्रेड्स निकाले. मैथ द फ्लोर ऑफ आई डिवाइडेड बाई 100 करने से 0 हो जाएगा. अगर 100 से स्टार्ट होगा 101, फिर रिलेशन करने से क्या होगा, तो सारे आ जाएंगे हंड्रेड्स में. This same goes for 10. This is some sort of formula, I guess, for some sort of formula for finding digits and I don't know, like some कुछ तो है predefined formulas वगैरह है बस. And यहाँ पे चेक कर रहा है कि if we have that digit available, current count is new array of 10 full. New array 10 की बाकी की नहीं. If we have enough of each digit in our original pool, it's a match. चाहे ग्रेटर देन होना चाहिए फिर मतलब इक्वल्स टू. क्वेश्चन नंबर मार रहा है. क्वेश्चन बता दे दिया था 2094. कॉपी नहीं हो रहा था. टाइप ही करेगा. अच्छा तुम लोग मतलब टाइप कर रहे हो क्या कुछ. और ना मे बी टाइमर ज़्यादा है तो पता नहीं. ये चैट डिसेबल हो गया था. वापस एनेबल किया तो 5 मिनट्स का टाइमर लगा दिया उसने. इफ यू गाइस वांट टू आस्क समथिंग, आज तो नहीं मतलब तुम लोग को कुछ बोलना है, बकचोदी करना है, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग शेयर करना है, यू कैन डू. तो डिस्कॉर्ड डेवलपर में 105 पीपल आर सिटिंग. His name was 105. What the hell? No, 101 people. 102 people. What are they building? Game developer.
Exactly that. You also are allowed to add post guidelines. So it's a little frustrating when a player is like, "Oh, this thing broke or my game crashed," right? But if you have guidelines in there that tell them, here are the things that are important for us to be able to go and look into your bugs or your feedback. Give us the version of your game, your operating system, and all of these pieces of information. It's super helpful later on for you to go and understand the bug a little bit better.
Otherwise, you will be staying behind.
And then rules. So again, start simple. I think you really only need a role for yourself or your team, for the developers. We don't really need to think too deeply about moderation or player roles or anything specific quite yet, but we will talk more about those later. So just a role to differentiate the developers from the players. And then something super important that I'm going to talk about probably a bunch throughout this, but your community is not going to build itself. So the most excited person about a community, building, your community is the person that's building the game. It's going to be you. You need to be in there. You should, try to interact with your players. Be in there as often as you can.
Must be crazy
I understand that building a game is tough work. It takes a lot of time. Try to at least post a screenshot, respond to somebody. Someone has a question. Just generally do your best to be in the space, facilitating.
These are real Discord developers.
Hanging out with your players. All right, cool. So that was a little bit about what we're thinking about for building our server when your game's still in development. Let's say you've got a prototype and you're thinking about actually doing playtesting, bringing players in. You want to have people see your game. What are we going to start thinking about doing to our server? So your server is going to grow with your game through every stage here. We're going to talk more about new roles, what it's like to onboard players, play testing, thinking about moderation at this point, because once you start getting strangers in and interacting, you want to make sure that they're doing it politely and they're following rules and stuff. All right, so as far as roles go, I think it's really fun to add a new beta tester role, alpha tester, whatever sort of tester role is, and give all of the players that come in and are testing at this point this role.
New beta tester rules.
It's
wow.
really cool as your game grows, and let's say you go launch and you post launch. Players get to kind of wear this as a badge of honor, especially if you keep this role around.
Let me see if we can find something interesting.
People love.
They have something called as
some amount of recognition for the things that they've done, and they love to feel like they're part of your game. And so people with this role will continue to feel that recognition as time goes on. So I think it's really fun to add some sort of role to recognize their part in the process of your game. All right. Another thing too to make your life easier, community invites. So now when you go to create invites, you actually get the ability to add roles to those invites. And a player that accepts that invite gets that role when they join your server. This is also true for players already in your server. So if they get that link, they can accept it. And even though they're already in your server, they'll get that role. Just a really easy way to add beta testers or
we need to have a separate permission so you can disable cameras for any
developers and stuff super easily. That way you don't have to worry about when they join.
How these guys are cooking so hard, bro.
Add the role or do it during onboarding. It's just built right into the link.
Can I see who is this guy? How do I see his profile?
We also want to start thinking about playtest events. So you've got a community server. We've got the ability to do events and announcements and stuff. It might make sense to start doing weekly playtests. Give yourself a goal to finish up some work and get out a new feature in time for an event. Schedule these ahead of time, and players
can an official Discord staff,
and they'll get notifications when they start. Kind of like
people would not give someone as an
I forget if I started
moderator in Discord.
Somebody else did. Thank you. One thing I always forget to do.
Moderator in Discord channel.
We open the server, open the channel, but
the official moderator.
Yeah. Okay. So create an event. It gives you a goal to work towards. And players can subscribe when they're interested and excited about it. Cool. So let's say you've gone through your alpha testing, beta testing. You've got your game all set up. It's ready to release. You're super excited about it. What do we want to do now in the next week leading up to your game's release? So something that's super important, I think, is make sure you're sharing your community everywhere. That could be
unrelated to the main
definitely in your game on the title screen. You'll see that a lot of games do this now, where they'll have a link to their community, and you can click it and you're immediately in the community for that game. That's really important because if a player's playing your game, they're excited about it, they're enjoying it, they may want to join your community. Also make sure that your community is that invite link is in all of your marketing materials, in YouTube videos, shorts, anything that you're posting anywhere, Instagram Reels, Twitter, anywhere that you could capture players. Make sure there's a way for them to find their way to your game and to your community. So I think those are probably the two most important.
I'm just attending.
Even a player that doesn't quite buy your game right away might be interested in learning more about it and joining your community. And once they're in your community, they'll see updates to the game, or maybe they're waiting for the full release. Maybe you've got an early access game. But yeah, if you've got that community as a place to capture them, you can re-engage them, or you can even get players that haven't quite bought yet to actually go and buy. You can talk about sale if you're running a sale. So yeah, make sure that invite link is everywhere your players can see. We're also going to want to think about moderation. So now we've got a bunch of people coming into the server. You've got strangers interacting. You've got just all sorts of possibility of people clashing. And so it's really important to do a few things here. One, just make sure that you have your rules kind of set up somewhere to point back to. make sure you set up automod. So automod is great. It's not quite a replacement for an actual moderator, but it does filter a lot of spam.
You want to see some
you can
cracked
set specific,
developers?
regular expressions to filter out and find words
I will share
and
the
things
link
that are
if
happening.
you want to subscribe. Then you can
And
subscribe.
it can
He's super cracked
basically stop people from saying certain things. You can have a block, spam content and other words, and so it's just like a great
where is his channel?
layer of moderation that filters out a lot of it filters out a lot of rules and stuff. Filters out a lot of like spam and issues. But yeah, again, moderation is super key. So this might be where you want to start thinking about either hiring moderators or having your developers be more active and talking to players when they notice things when there are issues and stuff. It's also super important to be in the server, sort of be like a model for the community. Make sure that you're not like dunking on people. Be in there and just like chat and be kind to other people to show kind of how you want your community to be. If you guys are interested in becoming a cracked developer, and then protect your server. So similarly to Automod, set your verification level to the highest you feel comfortable. Requiring two-factor authentication for your moderators is super important. If their account's breached, or it basically just like locks down.
You can check his channel if you want. Like he's and super cracked developer. Like he writes everything from scratch.
All of this really reduces a ton of spam.
He wrote a fucking full game.
Yeah, and then so going back to the actual launch itself.
If you guys want to
think about ways to turn your launch
how the game development works
big.
He does many stuff. Like he's crazy developer.
Plan events around the actual launch. Maybe you have a event where you go and actually
look at this. He was trying to get a triangle, which is Vulcan triangle.
Developer AMAs
it took him around 12 hours to do that.
Just think about all the ways that you can sort of get people excited about your game.
And dedicated guy. I want to become like
reward the people that have been a part of your community up to that point. Also, similarly, think about community culture. So culture is a great way to keep people excited and engaged. If you see players sharing memes and stuff about your game, or making fun of.
Let me show you the game he's building right now.
Really anything. Turn it into an emoji. Turn it into a sticker. Allow.
I'm not even hearing anything. It's fucking cool. I thought they were talking about something development, but they were talking about the features they are going to release in Discord right now. Okay, let me show you the game he's building right now. It should be here somewhere. And yes. I think here, yeah. See this? He is a fucking crack developer. Yo, why it's loading? What the fuck? I'm muting since I don't want that fucking copyright from him, but he won't be putting copyright on me still. He literally wrote everything from scratch, bro. Let me show you the gameplay. Maybe this is some map designing part. Ah, this is me. I'm moderator in this channel. Look at this. Look at this. Why it's loading, bro? What the fuck? Should I turn on the voice?
We're gonna be how we do it, like the usual, Metroid pops up a thing, you got this thing, and then some. It's gonna show like press X, and then you press X or whatever button is gonna be, and you're gonna do this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work out the actual mechanics. I just have this now to kind of implement the
He made the whole game, bro.
the
scratch.
kind of the
Without using
functionality to
AI or
make it
ChatGPT.
work at all, essentially. Oh yeah, and they shouldn't respawn. This should be deactivated. We have to fix this. Like, you go in here, you already killed this guy. It's not gonna respawn, right? Add a pet animal. I'm not actually a big fan of having some pet follow you around. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Like, I don't really play Pokemon and stuff like that. But what you could do, actually, what I've thought about doing is having some kind of thing you can do in the village. Like, maybe you do a quest, which...
This is the part where he shows the whole gameplay, like, not the whole gameplay, but yeah, part of the game. So why it's buffering, bro? What the fuck, bro?
But it also did not save these doors and everything. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna remove the save file. Let's try this again.
Look at the gameplay now. This is new level creation, so he did not replace the characters with the block thing right now, but he will do it later. Did you see that? Even he created the camera movement and everything.
Okay.
He is clear OG.
That's so weird. Like, for some reason, he spawns, even though we have it.
If you guys want to learn game development, or like you're interested in seeing crack developers, then you can subscribe to this guy. This guy's crazy, guy. I literally want to become like him, but I can't become. I need to dedicate that much time like him, but yeah, kinda I am.
Quick question. How many trades do you make in a day?
Let's see. Around 150.
150 trades, that too manually? Seems impossible. Can you show me your portfolio?
Immortal Phoenix.
अरे कहाँ चला गया प्रोडक्ट कार्ड? मैं बटन के अंदर बटन डाल रहा हूँ दो, और मुझे लेना इसको एक ही है उस लिस्ट के लिए। अब ठीक है, बस जैसे डालूंगा इस कलर चेंज कर देगा। ओके, बिग फैन सर जी। क्या हो रहा है आज? आज भाई कुछ नहीं हो रहा। आज हम कर रहे हैं ई कॉमर्स का पार्ट 2 कर रहे हैं, जिसमें ऐड टू कार्ट वगैरह, विश लिस्ट वगैरह की फंक्शनैलिटी कर रहे थे। पहले कैटेगरीज वगैरह बनाई और फिर ये कर रहे हैं बस। ठीक है, तो विश लिस्ट भी काम कर रहा है, ऐड टू कार्ट भी वर्क कर रहा है अच्छे तरीके से, और होम पे हमारा है ही। तो देखो प्रोजेक्ट हमारा यहाँ तक कंप्लीट हो चुका है कि हमारा होम पेज रेडी है कुछ इस टाइप से। ठीक है, होम पेज हमारा रेडी हो चुका है, कुछ हमारे उसके अंदर एक कैटेगरी का सेक्शन रेडी हो चुका है। अब जैसे इस पर क्लिक करेंगे कैटेगरीज पे चले जाएंगे। ठीक है, अब कैटेगरीज पे जाने के बाद में जिस भी कैटेगरी पे आप होम पेज से सिलेक्ट करके आओगे ना, उसी कैटेगरी पे जाने वाला है। देखो फैशन पे क्लिक किया तो फैशन की कैटेगरी खुल गई ऑटोमेटिकली। ठीक है, सर्च कर सकते हो प्रोडक्ट, सर्च की फंक्शनलिटी बना दी है। जैसे आपको क्या करना है, लैपटॉप सर्च करना है तो लैपटॉप तो आएगा नहीं, फैशन में किस में आएगा, और प्रोडक्ट्स में आएगा। तो यहाँ पे सारी कैटेगरीज डाल दी है। ठीक है, तो तो यहाँ पे सारी कैटेगरीज डाल दी है और यहाँ पे एक ऑल कैटेगरी डाल दी, मतलब जितने प्रोडक्ट है वो यहाँ पे लिस्ट डाउन करेंगे आपके, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे जैसे मान लो मुझे फ़ोन सर्च करना है तो सैमसंग सर्च करो, सैमसंग आ जाएगा, ठीक है। आप सर्च करोगे वन प्लस के प्रोडक्ट तो वन प्लस के प्रोडक्ट आ जाएंगे, ठीक है। वन प्लस आ जाएगा, ठीक है। जैकेट सर्च करनी, जैकेट आ जाएगी आपके पास में, ठीक है। तो इट्स लाइक ऐसी वाली फंक्शनलिटी हमने क्या करी यहाँ पे बनाई है, ठीक है। आप यहाँ पे सर्च करते जाओ अच्छे तरीके से यार, इतना तो आपको फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी नहीं मिलेगा, फ्लिपकार्ट पे भी नहीं मिलेगा इतना अच्छे तरीके से। तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी सर्च करोगे आप, उससे रेलेवेंट प्रोडक्ट आपको क्विकली मिलने वाले हैं, ठीक है। हेडफोन सर्च करो, आपको हेडफोन मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद में क्या है हमारे पास में, जैसे हेडफोन मिल गया, अब यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हो, इसको विश लिस्ट में डाल सकते हो, ऐड टू कार्ट कर सकते हो। विश लिस्ट में डालोगे तो यहाँ पे विश लिस्ट में चला जाएगा, ये पेज खुल गया इसका, ठीक है। बैक आता हूँ मैं। विश लिस्ट में जाने के बाद मान लो आप ऐड टू कार्ट करते हो तो ऐड टू कार्ट यहाँ से जाएगा, ऊपर एक नंबर बढ़ेगा, देखो नंबर बढ़ गया, ऐड टू कार्ट में यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ठीक है। लाइक जेंगो एंड फ्लास्क सीखना ज़रूरी है क्या ब्रदर? जेंगो सीख लो यार, जेंगो फ्लास्क में से एक सीख लो पहले, ठीक है। दोनों फ्रेमवर्क्स हैं आपके वेब के लिए, जेंगो सीख लो। कभी कंपनियां क्या होती है ना, फ्लास्क मांग लेती हैं, कभी जेंगो पे काम करती हैं। जेंगो सीख लो, फ्लास्क ईजी है, आ जाएगा, ठीक है। टू करोगे तो देखो यहाँ पे शॉपिंग कार्ट बन चुका है। प्रोसीड टू चेकआउट करूँगा तो देखो चेकआउट का पेज नहीं बना है अभी हमारा, अभी बना रहे हैं हम लोग, ठीक है। तो ये शॉपिंग कार्ट हो गई हमारी, राइट। इसको आप रिमूव भी कर सकते हो, प्रोडक्ट को यहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएंगे सारे, ठीक है। कार्ट एम्प्टी हो जाएगी। अगेन यहाँ पे जाके मैं ऐड कर सकता हूँ, विश लिस्ट में जाके मैं रिमूव कर सकता हूँ चीज़ों को, ठीक है। बस ये चीज़ें हमने बनाई है, बहुत प्यारी प्यारी। ब्रो मुझे HTML CSS है।
मेरा सिस्टम हैंग हो गया, 2 यूट्यूब भी चलाया, सिस्टम हैंग हो गया। ये क्या हो रहा है भाई?
JS आती है,
सिस्टम रिसेट करना पड़ेगा। What the fuck? किसी ने मेरा स्ट्रीम हैक कर लिया दोस्तों, मेरा स्ट्रीम बचेगा नहीं। ये डिस्कॉर्ड की वजह से हो रहा है, मेरे को पता है। क्या बस सबसे बात दिमाग है, और तो इतना पकड़ रहा है। चलिए।